In this video I'm gonna show you how to promote an offer on Instagram with free traffic, and I'm gonna do it step by step, so stick with me until the very end of this video, and I'm gonna reveal you some good strategies how to promote an offer on Instagram, free traffic. So let's jump right into it. So I'm using Cpa Lead for this method, but you can use any other networks, CPA networks, and I use IDPLR. This is free site that you can basically download free products. I showed you in a previous video. So I already picked a product. This is vitamin D deficient, and I already made a landing page. This is I showed you in the previous video, file locker create and ebook locker, and this is the one that I created. Basically what I did, to be sure, just copy everything in this description and save this image. You can do whatever, you can do pick an offer, but my suggestion is to use an offer that is international, because we don't know the person behind the screen who is gonna click. And if you pick an offer only just that is only available in United States, that's basically you don't know if it's person behind the screen from the United States, and the person, somebody is gonna be redirected to any other offers, and this is not good. So I just pick vitamin D deficiency, and I did basically do everything here, basically copy paste everything from here to Cpa Lead, and look how it goes, like this, how it looks. And you can do it too, but you can do any other, like pick an offer international, or do any other free product or whatever. Now I'm gonna show you how to, I already fill up my details, and you can basically sign up for Instagram, use any account, email account, full name, basically pick a name that is, we're going to promote this book. And how I didn't mention that you basically you have to for this IDPLR you need to register for free, and you get like three downloads for free, and then you have to pay. But just made a couple accounts and you can download it as much as you want. So basically you download here, and basically is gonna download on your computer, and just pick open your book, open that book or software or PDF and excuse me, and basically just upload to Google Drive and share that link, and just paste it here. If you want me to make a video on that, but it's easy to do, right? So just paste it here. I just pasted whatever other link. So, and now to optimize how to create an account, what we are going to do is just you can do it just full name just around this product, full name to be around this product, vitamin D for your health, for example. See if it's available or not. And now I'm gonna sign up. Just fill up these details, whatever. I'm gonna skip. That's my code. I'm gonna be right back when I'm finished with this. Okay, I just created an account, brand new account, and on Instagram, as I showed you, like profile, vitamin D for your health. And now what we are going to do is, I'm gonna reveal you some good strategies on how to promote, in this case, content locker, like this ebook on on Instagram. And basically what you're going to do is to optimize. First step is to optimize your description to pick your profile picture, and just basic, and you don't need to have any knowledge or skill, just to be creative. Use a lot of emojis in your description, and you can just search out your concurrential vitamin D in this case, and just pick you look like something like really catchy, write it in description, like, and around this product, or you can write it this essentials menu, something catchy, and you and just this arrow down, and you can find some related to your vitamin D, in my case niche, right? Vitamins. So if you don't, this niche is not that full, like vitamin D, and find some others. For example, write it some here, and you can use what I suggest, because if your English is not good, if you're not native in English, you can use this bot, Quillbot, and to basically that to optimize your profile. And you can write it something, for example, copy like this and paste it this and paraphrase. It's gonna paraphrase this text, and you can just optimize something like that, and just copy it this, and just profile, edit profile, bio, and I'm gonna now skip this part, and I'm gonna show you how is very clean channel bio looks like, and with emojis. So yeah. Okay, now I optimized this, and I'm gonna explain you how you can do it as well. It's simple, it's not that easy. You can just type it like this channel is dedicated to help you understand the importance of vitamin D. Please check out free ebook on the importance of vitamin D, and just pick an emoji, some emojis related to your product on emojipedia.org, and you can find a bunch of emojis, and find the perfect, and what you're doing, I didn't show you because it's not that it's simple, is to go to bit.ly and just paste it link from when you created your landing page. Just paste the link in your bit.ly and customize your link to be sufficient for your product that you're promoting, in this case ebook, and just go to Google and type it, in my case vitamin D, and find some picture. So what you're now going to do, and how you can post, for you don't need to make up something your own. You just need to you can literally you can take others' photos and just give them credit. How you can do it, just type it in your when you post, just find, for example, this, and just go to download, go to enter it, download Instagram photos, and just go to first link. I'm gonna leave it down in the description, and just go there and go to these three dots in up, and copy link and paste it here, download. And once you're downloaded, post it on Instagram. I'm sure you know how to do it, and just type it in the description. Just type it something simple, and copy these tags. Tags are really important. Just type it credit, give credit to hashtag vitamin D guru. I know you know what I mean, like just give it credit and you post it every single day like that. What if you don't want to give them credit, you can literally go to canva.com and you can, here I'm not lying, you can make it like vitamin D interesting facts. Something people love facts or some interesting, and just copy paste this or copy in Quillbot, make some story out of it, or also post it, and every single day. Now, how you can generate some traffic? Simple as that. Go to following of this person, or go to here likes. This person has 15 likes. It's 15 likes, but go to following and just follow this person. Now, you don't want to follow them. You don't want to follow them all this, because Instagram is gonna ban you because you're spamming. For the first week, this is very important. For the first week, 10 to 15 people in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Just split up like that and post it every single day. Every single day, one post, story, one story, and like other pictures, and comment on other pictures, and just do that for the first week. Second week, just increase it every single day. In the morning 50, afternoon 50, in evening 50 people follow. Also like other comments, post like comments, like other posts, and comment on other people's posts, and just be consistent. And third week is just increase it a little bit. Morning 100, in the afternoon, and in the evening 100, and just do like that the third week, and also post, and just do like that, and you're gonna follow these people. They're gonna see you follow them, there's related that are interesting to them, and they're gonna follow you back, and just gonna land you on your page and see this product, click on it, and once they're download ebook, they're gonna complete this offer and some of this, and you're gonna get paid, you're gonna get some money. So, and for the next weeks, just follow in the morning, afternoon, and evening people 100, and you can easily earn a good amount of money. That is for this video. I hope you earned some money. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of about this video. See you in the next video. Peace.